Yes, you read that right. Soap made from apple and pearl originating from China. The apple and pear soup is announced to be nourishing for your throat and lungs and have anti-aging properties. This is some preparation work involved and some time is required for the soup to be simmered to perfection, but it is well worth the effort. The apple and pear soup is a traditional Chinese home remedy for cough and sore throat. For decades, if you are feeling a little under the weather, Asian pears are said to reduce phlegm, moisten your throat while increasing the yin, which is the cooling energy in your body. Yes, in fact, Asian pears are infused with a high concentration of antioxidants, including vitamin C, because of that Asian pears are a nutritious source of vitamin C to help you boost your immune system and facilitate the growth and repair of bodily tissues. Beyond that, they also provide a substantial amount of potassium, vitamin K, copper, and other nutrients for your daily nutritional needs. Due to the savouriness, tenderness, and versatility, the pork rib is one of the most common parts used in simmered soups across Chinese households. However, you can also choose to substitute the ribs with the pork knuckles or trotter if you are cooking to achieve a nilker broth. Alternatively, lean meat can also be used as a substitute to accomplish a clearer broth. Preparing the soup may not be as difficult as it sounds. As long as you follow the steps closely, you cannot possibly go wrong. The step-by-step guide will take you through the process. Instructions: soak the white fungus for about 15 minutes or longer in water. To soften it, cut off the hard bottom and cut the remaining white fungus into smaller pieces and set them aside. Number 2, blanch the pork ribs. In a pot of boiling water, blanch the pork ribs for about 5 minutes to remove scum. Remove pork ribs from the pot, rinse, and set aside for a cleaner porcelain meat can be used. Third is boil water in the soup pot and blanch pork ribs, apple, and pears, snow fungus, dried figs, honey dates, and red dates, north and south diamonds into boiling water. Once boiling, lower the heat and simmer for around 2 hours or until the meat is tender. Season with salt to taste. Okay, turn off the heat and it's time to serve these mouth-watering nutriments. Be sure to savor every bit and the bowl as each ingredient brings out a whole new flavor for you. Do not skip the process of blanching the pork ribs if you want to achieve a clean pot of soup. For more wholesome dishes and desserts, browse our broad range of quick, easy, and authentic recipes at my channel. Thank you for watching, guys. See you on my next vlog.